If you wonder what would happen to user experience if a social media app is banned in a particular region or country, the impact on users' phones will depend on the specifics of the ban and how it is enforced. Here are some possible scenarios. 1. App removal from stores. Impact. The app may no longer be available for download or updates on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store in the affected region. User experience. Users who already have the app installed may still be able to use it temporarily, but they won't receive updates or new features. Over time, the app may become less functional due to compatibility or security issues. 2. App blocking via internet service providers. Impact. Governments could require ISPs to block access to the app's servers. User experience. Even if the app remains installed, users will not be able to access its content because the app won't connect to its servers. This renders the app effectively unusable unless users find workarounds like using a VPN. 3. Remote deactivation. Impact. In rare cases, the app or device manufacturers could collaborate with governments to remotely deactivate the app. User experience. The app may stop functioning entirely, either by being removed from devices or showing error messages upon launch. 4. VPN and workarounds. Impact. Some users may attempt to bypass bans using VPNs to access the app in regions where it remains available. User experience. While this might work for some, VPN usage can introduce latency, security risks, or additional costs. Governments may also take measures to block VPN services. 5. In-app limitations. The app could introduce region-specific restrictions, preventing users in banned areas from accessing content. Users may still be able to open the app, but they won't be able to view or upload content. 6. Data and privacy risks. Impact. If an app is banned suddenly, users might lose access to their content stored within the app, such as drafts or private videos. User experience. Users may scramble to back up their data before losing access, and failure to do so could result in permanent loss of content. 7. Increased use of alternatives. Impact. Users may migrate to other social media platforms, such as Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or new alternatives that emerge. User experience. While this shift may help users stay connected with their audience, it may take time to rebuild their following on other platforms. 8. Technical or legal challenges. Impact. If the ban is challenged in court, enforcement could be delayed or blocked entirely. User experience. During this period, the app might remain accessible, but with uncertainty about its long-term future. In general, the outcome depends on how strictly the ban is enforced, the technical measures used, and how users adapt to the restrictions.